Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I am excited to share with you the top 5 methods to earn extra, straight from your mobile phone income strategies. These methods are perfect for anyone who desires to make some extra cash during their leisure time without needing a computer. First on the list, we have online surveys and market research apps. Several reputable apps like Swagbucks, Survey Junkie, and Google Opinion Rewards pay you for your opinions. All you need to do is sign up, complete surveys, and start earning. It's a simple, easy, and portable way to make some extra money in your spare time. Secondly, let's talk about freelance work. Apps like Fiverr and Upwork enable people to find freelance gigs in various career options such as writing, graphic design, video editing, and more. It's necessary to create a profile, showcase your abilities, and begin applying for jobs. You can work from any location, at any time, and directly on your mobile phone. Another fantastic method to earn extra income is through selling products online. Platforms like Etsy, eBay, and Facebook Marketplace offer you the chance to sell handmade crafts, vintage items, or even items that you no longer need. All you need to do is take photos of your items, list them for sale, and manage your transactions all on your mobile device. Furthermore, there's an investment in stocks and cryptocurrencies. Apps like Robinhood, E-Trade, and Coinbase make it effortless to begin investing with just a few taps directly on your phone. While this method does involve some degree of danger, it can potentially result in a great way to grow your wealth over time. Just remember to do your research and start with small investments. Lastly, we have cashback and rewards apps. Apps like Rakuten, Honey, and Ibotta enable you to get cashback on everyday purchases. Simply shop through these apps or make a transaction, and you'll receive a percentage of your money back. It's an effortless way to save and earn money while you have shopping trips. So, there you have it, our top 5 methods to earn extra income from your mobile phone. Whether you need to make a little extra bucks on the side to supplement your income, or you want to discover new sources of income, these methods are perfect for you. Remember, consistency is the key, and every little bit adds up. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it 3 thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and turn on the notification bell to ensure you never miss a new update. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.